I have the pleasure of having several hundred coaching sessions with outstanding talent every year. Guess what is the number one topic? The feeling of being stuck and not being able to advance careers with their existing employers. This naturally flows then to actually wanting to look for external opportunities. In any case, the starting point is the same. Talent wants to advance, but there seems to be no paths available. What can you do to advance your career with your current employer? Let's jump into discovering more. Hi, it's Lassi Albin. Welcome to my channel where I share weekly tips and advice on how you can accelerate your career. I invite you to subscribe to my channel right below here and to hit the bell button to ensure that you don't miss any of the future career acceleration tips. How to advance your career with your current employer. This topic certainly touches all of us several times during our professional careers. I mean, hey, 40 years of professional journey, brain busy with work stuff, at least 9 hours a day. That's 37.5% of your weekdays. It should touch us, and we should be making sure that we have the answers. This is one of my favorite career topics. And as we tube here, I'm building a complete step-by-step online course on this one. It will allow you to accelerate your career with your current employer in a systematic and effective way. I'm co-designing the program with a group of international managers to bring you the best practices that will make you fly. Expect to have this program at your fingertips during March. In case you want to get notified when it's out, just drop me an email address via the link below and I'll keep you posted. Now, while the program is not there yet, here are some of the key aspects of in-house career advancement, as well as executable steps that you can take to give yourself a boost inside the company premises. So, the starting point is that you would like to advance your career with your current company. Good. Most of us want to do that. But what does advance really mean? It means different things to professionals. It can mean advancement in rank. Manager, director, VP, specialist, manager within the current division. Or it can be advancement in responsibilities or access to new projects without caring too much of that rank. Someone else might be looking for a bump in the compensation structure, lateral move within the company, or even breaking the career ladder, progress to have fewer travel days. There are also a great number of experts in their trade who like to do exactly the thing that they are doing right now. For them, advancement is and should be keeping up to date with the developments, tools, and processes of their own chosen specialty area. That's also advancement. As you can see, advancement can mean many things. Good leaders recognize these in their team members and in themselves. What is it that I want to advance? What are the options and how do I get started? Every organization is different and needs to be analyzed separately. Furthermore, org charts keep on changing constantly, creating an ever-changing environment, a playfield as such, that we need to observe and manage throughout our careers, not just once. Regardless of what advancement means to us, what impacts our ability to advance in-house. I like to divide the components into 3 focus areas. They are structure, skills, and people. First of all, the structure. Structure has to do with the company as itself. How is it built? How is it formed? And how does it function as a unit? It has to do with the size of the company. What are the opportunities? Small, medium, large. How freely can you move? What are the opportunities? Is it family owned? Do we have any connections there? Does it impact the advancement opportunities? What are the org charts? How does it look like? Who makes decisions? Where's the power? Who has the power? HR development paths and programs. What's available in-house? What is the HR role? How active are they in developing talent? Another thing is tenures. How long do people stay in positions? If you want to go upwards and you have this many opportunities, how long do people normally stay? Does everybody move every 3 years, or is it something that you might need to wait for a longer time? What's the division size? Is it something that offers a lot of opportunities, or are you too restricted? And many more. When I was building the course, or when I'm building the course, I actually found more than 30 different impacting points. Analyze the structure to identify these opportunities, limiting factors and improvement opportunities that you can jump into. Do you need to alter your plan in-house, or maybe take a different approach to get to your goals? Second is the skills. These have to do with your skills as a talent. What skills you might be needing to advance more rapidly or advance at all, and getting a better understanding on what's needed. These include formal education. There might be a glass ceiling that you need to have a particular education or level before you can enter a certain level. Another thing might be communication skills. Am I strong enough? Where do I need to work on? Technical skills, same questions. It's something hindering me of going to the next level. Team management. Do I have it? Or do I need something more? Do I need the first opportunity to show my team management skills? Digital skills, finance, and many more. Same thing here. Run through a self-analysis and identify opportunities that can boost your advancement. And finally, people. People is the glue that brings it all together. It's last on the list, but first on importance. Ultimately, everything comes down to people. Once you have the focus areas 1 and 2 covered, the people aspect will be the most important factor, the coding for the process of advancing. Now, management changes constantly, and your career management and advancement plan need to be in constant calibration mode. People, networking, and creating trust and working relationships is number 1. For example, you need to consider these: your direct manager, your manager's manager, who are the influencers within the company, how do I network, how should I create a plan for networking, what are potential threats, am I seen as a threat, organizational chart now and in the future, so simulating how it could be, HR roles in networking, creating these connections, and so many more. Once you have your own advancement plan laid out, understand the people dependencies and start building your network to ensure visibility, opportunities, and continuity. There you go. These are some of the main components on how to advance your career in-house, and actually how to get started, how to analyze what you could be doing. The topic is quite detailed and definitely does not fit into one short video. For example, in the upcoming online course, there are already more than 60 impact factors that we're looking at to analyze and to choose from for your particular situation. Every unique position is different. Every individual journey is different. But with these focus areas, you should be able to start your own analysis on what is breaking your advancement and how to loosen that break. And again, in case you want to get notified when the full online program is out, just drop me an email address via the link in the description. I'll keep it posted. And yes, if you found this video useful, give it a like, share it with your buddies, and subscribe for future videos to accelerate your career. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.